Welcome to ABC GROK. Join Luno and Tria on magical ABC adventures filled with learning, laughter, and love. We remember our friend Diro through every smile, every letter, and colorful fun and magical discoveries.
Welcome to ABC Neon Studio Nights with Luno and Tria.
Let's explore creator words from A to Z in our glowing night studio. A is for analytics. Analytics show how our videos are growing.
B is for broadcast. Broadcasting shares our video with the world.
C is for camera. The camera records every exciting moment. Look, neon lights are glowing. Wow, Tria, let's press the button to record. Perfect, now it's capturing all the fun.
D is for dark mode. Dark mode makes the screen glow at night.
E is for edit. Editing makes our videos even better.
Wow, look at that. Great job, Luno. Let's add a transition. This is so cool.
F is for followers. Followers enjoy watching our videos.
G is for glitch. A glitch is a fun digital flicker. H is for hashtag. Hashtags help others find our videos.
I is for intro. The intro begins our video.
J is for join. Join lets friends become members.
K is for keyboard. We type titles and ideas. L is for live stream. Live means sharing in real time. M is for microphone. A microphone records. Wow, this microphone is so cool. Yeah, let's make it perfect for recording. Ready to sing now? Yes, let's do it.
N is for notification. Turn on the bell to stay updated.
O is for on. On connects access. Everywhere.
P is for play button. Press play to start watching.
P is for play button. Press play to start watching. Q is for quality. Good quality makes videos clear. Q is for quality. Good quality makes videos clear. Yay!
R is for record. Recording captures the action.
S is for subscribe. Subscribe for more adventures. Thumbnail shows what the video is about. Ah, wow, Tria, it's perfect.
U is for upload. Upload shares our video online.
V is for video. Video shares stories and learning.
W is for watch time. Watch time shows how long friends watch.
X is for extra effects. Effects make videos exciting.
I is for YouTube Studio. It helps manage the channel.
Z is for zoom. Zoom brings things closer. Thanks for joining ABC Neon Studio Nights with Luno and Tria. Subscribe, like, and share for more glowing ABC adventures.
Learning your ABCs with Luno and Tria. Every letter is a new adventure filled with love and happy memories. Subscribe, like, and share to keep the ABC adventures going. See you in the next magical letter journey.